Hey everyone! Today we're going to uncover the mystery behind your shopping bills. It's all about something called GST, and we're going to break it down piece by piece. GST stands for Goods and Services Tax. Think of it like a single tax that replaced a whole bunch of old taxes in India, like excise duty, VAT, and service tax. This new GST law was passed on March 29, 2017, and it started on July 1, 2017. So now, instead of having to deal with lots of different taxes, we just have one GST. But what does it actually mean? Well, GST is added to the price of things you buy, both goods and services. Imagine it like this. Every time someone does something to make a product better or more valuable, a little bit of GST is added. So, the next time you're at the store and you buy something, you'll see GST on your receipt. It's a simple way to make sure everyone pays their part in taxes, and it makes the whole system much clearer. And that's it. That's GST explained simply. Easy, right? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple explanations.